up in dishes. 61. 1 jalapeno or serrano chili, seeded and chopped, optional. 1 3 cloves garlic chopped, 1 large onion chopped, 1 stalk celery chopped, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 large carrot chopped, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon basil, 1/2 teaspoon rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon thyme, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons lemon or lime juice. Bring the split peas to a boil with the kelp, turmeric, ginger and a touch of oil. Keep at a rolling boil uncovered for 10 minutes. Then reduce flame to a medium simmer. The peas should be soft and falling apart in about 30-40 minutes. Sauté the serrano, optional, and garlic in the oil until starting to brown. Add the onion, other chopped vegetables, salt and spices, and cook over medium-low flame until onions and peppers are soft. Add to the soup when the peas are cooked. Adjust salt and add lemon juice, and cook another 10 minutes. Serve. Variation: you can vary the vegetables and use potatoes, zucchini, eggplant, etc. Red lentil soup, quick to cook, easy to digest, and very good tasting. Spice pattern: basic, 1c red lentils, 5/6c water, 3-inch stick kombu, optional. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 to 4 teaspoons ginger chopped, optional. 2 cloves garlic chopped, 1 med onion chopped, 1 teaspoon dried dill, 1/2 teaspoon black or white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar or to taste. Cook the lentils and kombu in the water until the red lentils dissolve, about 30 minutes. Start with 5 cups water and add more if you want a thinner soup. Sauté the garlic, onion and spices in the oil.